Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely removing the keyboard without damaging any components. First, power off your MSI MS1551 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to prevent any damage to the casing. After the panel is off, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is usually a flat ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the laptop. Using your tweezers, carefully disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Be gentle, as these connectors can be quite fragile. Now we can move on to the keyboard itself. To remove the keyboard, you may need to unscrew additional screws that hold it in place. These are typically located around the keyboard area. Once you've located and removed these screws, gently lift the keyboard from the top edge and slide it upwards to release it from the clips at the bottom. If you notice any dust or debris inside the laptop, this is a great opportunity to clean it out. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the internal components. This will help improve airflow and performance. Now take your new keyboard and align it with the clips and screw holes. Slide it down into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard, making sure it's securely attached. Once the keyboard is in place, replace any screws you removed earlier to secure it. After that, reattach the bottom panel of the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned properly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Finally, replace the screws on the bottom panel and power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. Make sure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have all the information you need before proceeding with any repairs. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your MSI MS1551. Enjoy your newly functioning laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.